Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar error. Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your Windows search bar. Over here, type settings and open it. After that, go to System, then Time and Language. Then click on Region and change your region. Over here, select United Kingdom. After that, go back to the Windows search bar and type Services. Then scroll down and find Windows Time. Over here, right click and select Properties. Then set the startup type to automatic, click Apply and start the service. After that, close the window. Then change your time zone and click Sync Now. So that's basically how you can fix Rockstar Games launcher error. Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.